Hey guys, what's up? In this video I thought I would show you guys how to make a auto scaling GUI scrolling frame. So let's say, it's a quick little example here. Let's say you had a whole bunch of these and you wanted it to where you wanted to auto scale so you could see every frame. So you'd be able to see this one and you're able to scroll, and it's all even, so it always ends on the actual bottom instead of like this. So it's very simple, surprisingly. So let's just make a normal frame. And we have a scrolling frame. All I have here is a normal frame, and then a loading. It's just a frame. So it's a frame with UI corners, a scrolling frame, which I just positioned it and all that, and set the size to a little smaller. That way it has a border, kind of. And then I set the scroll bar thickness to 0. Mess with this a little bit because I had it on for a minute, but I got bored of it. I just made a frame with the UI corner. So the way we do this is you have a UI list layout. I have padding to 15, which is what makes it, you see here, there's a space in between them. So I mean, you can mess with that if you want. It doesn't actually affect the script whatsoever. Yeah, and then you just set it to whatever you want. So I did vertical, center, and then sort by. We do name, and then yeah. So you want vertical from the top, then yeah. So the way you script this is it's very, very simple. So you want it in a local script because that's how it is. So you want to do auto scale. So it's very simple. You just do script.parent. Child added connect function. I don't know what daytime is. Function. So what this does is whenever this pretty much gets another one of the GUIs, so one of these, it will run the script. So as we can print hi, and I will show you that if we play the game really quick. Go here, 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 here. So every time we do this, it's going to print high, but as you can see, it's not going to auto scale yet. We're missing a couple. So we just got lucky that it ended in the right spot, but you can't see every single one of them. So the way we do this is it's very simple. So script.parent.canvas size. Canvas size is equal to udim2.new. Now, depending on what you're doing, we're doing it up and down. So you want to do 0, 0, 0, comma. Now, we need to use the UI list layout. So it's script.parent.UI list layout .absolute content size .y. So this is all we need. It's very simple. We'll actually set this when the script starts. So script.parent, so this gets when the child is added, this line, and then this sets the canvas size, so that's how big your scroll bar is, and it's going to be equal to udim2.new, so that's how you set size of a GUI. So then you have the x scale, so that's like between 0 and 1 normally. That's how you set the actual position in the center and all that. And then you have the x offset, and then the scale or y scale, which same concept, and then you set it to the absolute size, absolute content size .y. So what this does, which is very cool, is when you go into the GUI, as you can see, we can't scroll anymore because we put the line that sets it before the game starts. So we just take the frame. So you can see we duplicate it. We duplicate it one more time. Then we're able to scroll. We should. Okay. So because of the way I set up the the way I set up the so I want to do this, and we're just going to add 50. You could also do math. So this has to be like a size. Oh no, not 50, 75. So 75. You can also just add script parent, or we can actually just get the item that was added, but we don't have to. We just because they're all the same thing. Script parent dot frame dot size dot y dot offset. So it's going to add the size of this offset, which is just 75 for us. So then we just go into the actual game. And we repeat the process. So we go down, we can go scroll all the way down. Now we have a new problem, which is, as you can see, we can't go all the way down to the bottom because, yeah. So the easiest way to combat that is go here to our script, and we're going to add another offset. New script dot parent dot UI list layout dot padding. This is why it doesn't matter what you set it to earlier. Dot offset. So they're all offset based. I mean, you might be able to do it with scale based, but I don't know because I haven't tried that yet. So what this does is right here, you said it's 15. So it's just going to add 15 to the number it's already on, and it should put it in the perfect spot, in theory. So go here, 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 here. Boom. So we go like this. Oh look, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the frame now. Before we couldn't. Go here, all the way to the bottom, put a whole bunch, all the way to the bottom. Yeah. So that's pretty much how you do that. It's pretty simple, and then you just mess with this, whatever, text, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.